Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft account creation blocked error. First, try switching your browser to Microsoft Edge or Brave. If the issue persists, clear your browser data. In Chrome, click the three dots on the top right. Go to Settings, search for Cache, click Clear Browsing Data, set the time range to all time, and hit Clear Data. Next, check your extensions. Click the puzzle icon on the top right, select Manage Extensions, and temporarily disable all ad blockers or active VPN extensions, as they can trigger Microsoft's security blocks. If you are still blocked, fix your DNS settings. In your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security. Click Security, scroll down to use Secure DNS, and switch your provider to Google, Public DNS, or Cloudflare. Alternatively, disconnect from your Wi-Fi and use your phone's cellular data to completely bypass the network restriction. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.